In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Wrike. Let's say you're managing a project and you need to bring some teammates on board so you can all work together seamlessly. This is where adding collaborators in Wrike comes in, a process that's both simple and effective, ensuring that everyone involved has access and necessary permissions to contribute to the project's success. To begin, you'll want to access your Wrike workspace. Once you've logged into your Wrike account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your projects and tasks. This is where all your work can be managed and organized. Now, on the right of the dashboard, you should see an option or a button labeled Invite, or it might alternatively be marked as Share. This is what you'll click to start the process of bringing additional collaborators into your project. After clicking the Invite button, you will be prompted to enter the email address of the person or people you wish to add. Make sure to type these emails correctly to avoid inviting the wrong person. Typically, you may be inviting multiple collaborators, so having those emails prepared beforehand can make this process smoother and faster. Once you've entered the emails, look for the option that says Invite by Email. Clicking this will move you forward to the next step, which focuses on user roles. At this point, you need to select the user type for your new collaborators. In the context of Wrike, selecting the contributor role is often appropriate, depending on how much access and involvement you want these collaborators to have. Contributors usually can add new tasks, comment, and modify task details, making it a fitting choice for team members actively working on the project. It's worth noting here that Wrike roles and permissions can be customized, so consider what's best for your team dynamics and project structure. Adding a personalized message when sending out the invitation can also be very valuable. Craft a brief but welcoming message that explains why you're inviting them and any initial steps they should take once they accept the invitation. This ensures that your invitees not only know who the invitation is from, but also understand the context and urgency, should there be any. Finally, with all the information entered and reviewed, go ahead and hit Send Invite. Wrike will send an email to your invited collaborators with the necessary details for joining you on the platform. Your collaborators should receive this invitation shortly, and once they accept, they'll be able to dive right into work alongside you and the rest of the team. By following these steps, you have now successfully added collaborators to your Wrike project. It's a straightforward process, but essential for maximizing your team's productivity and ensuring everyone stays aligned. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!